All right, hi everyone. Let's take up this solution. So this is the shopping list that I've asked you to make. So that's an H1, and it's got these various ordered list element things underneath. Okay, now first of all, first thing I want to show you guys is if you are going to save this, we can save this as, let's say it is shopping.html. If you save it as shopping.html, it automatically changes to an HTML file for you. So like your HTML shortcut will just work if you just, HTML tab. Another thing that'll save you guys some time, which I want to tell you guys about, is instead of typing like open brace H1 or H1 close brace and then open brace backslash or forward slash to get your thing, like that's a lot of typing. Instead, you can just do H1 tab and boom, it'll make the whole thing for you, which is fabulous. So the first thing I'm going to add is my shopping list here. And then if I hold command and if you hit command and the right arrow, it takes you right to the end of the line. So inside my shopping list, I need bullets. So bullets are going to be an unordered list. So UL tab, boom, makes a new list. And what's even cooler is if you hit enter here, then it automatically tabs you inside the list to keep you nice and organized. So inside this, I'm going to need a list item tab for produce. Okay, command to the right to get to the end of the line. Now, my next thing is going to be a sub list. You see here I've got fruit and then I've got vegetables. So I need a second unordered list. Unordered because it's just bullets. So I'm going to make a UL tab, enter. Now inside this unordered list, I need fruit and vegetables. So let's make a list item fruit and li tab vegetables. Okay. Now, sure, let's worry about these things after. Let's finish this cold and bakery down here. So if we track where I am, so produce is inside this first UL. So you can see where that UL ends by following this line straight down. And so if you follow this list item produce down, then I know that I need to add a new list item here. Another thing you can do is Command Shift D duplicates a line on Mac, and I think it's Control Shift D on Windows. But you can double check. It's under the Edit menu, line, duplicate line. Command Shift D is duplicate line. So I just what I did there to make this a little bit faster is Li tab makes a list item. Command Shift D just duplicated that whole line. If I wanted a whole bunch of list items, I could just Command Shift D as long as I want to get all the list items. So this is going to be cold. This one is going to be bakery. And then inside each of these, I need a numbered list. So this numbered list, milk, butter, cheese, is going to be an ordered list tab. And then inside my ordered list, I need a list item. And looking ahead, I need 3 list items. So I'm going to add milk, I'm going to add butter, and I'm going to add cheese. And another thing I'm going to do, because my bakery is basically the same thing, I need another ordered list inside my bakery. I'm going to copy and paste this list. I only need 2 items here instead of 3, so I'm going to delete. Double click to select milk, change that to bread. Double click here to select, make this crumpets. And all right, almost done. So I've done. Let's see what I have so far. So if I go into Finder, well, I've got the solution there. I'm not going to click that one. So there's my shopping. So as you can see, it's almost the same. I just need to add my types of fruits and my types of vegetables underneath fruits and vegetables. So I'm almost done. So inside my fruit, I need an ordered list tab. I need a list item tab. Command Shift duplicate. Oops, how many do I need? I need 3. Command Shift duplicate again. So I need bananas. I need apples, and I need pineapples. And now in vegetables, well, I could do the same thing again, or I could just be lazy and copy and paste. There's nothing wrong with copying and pasting your own code, as long as it's your own work, not someone else's, obviously. So that's carrots, and this is lettuce. And having just typed this up manually a second time, it's really bothering me now that bread and crumpets aren't capitalized. So I'm just actually going to fix that down here. Bread and crumpets. Command S. And now, when I refresh my shopping list, it should look almost exactly the same. Now, aside from the capitalization, which I fixed, there's one other thing that I've done, which I haven't talked about yet, which is the title. If you look at the name of the tab, this one is just shopping.html, and yours probably looks something like that. But this one here says shopping list. So how did I do that? Well, let's right-click, view page source, and find out. So where is this shopping list appearing here? Well, it's happening in the title tag. So I told you way back when we introduced the shape of an HTML document, right, the structure, the head is information about the web page, like the title of the web page. And you'll notice if you make a new HTML document, if you do HTML tab, it automatically takes you right into the title. This is the title. It's generally the first thing you want to fill out in a new HTML document. So here, if we scroll way up here, my title should be shopping list. Hit save here. Let's go to, not the solution, just shopping.html and refresh, and boom. Now it says shopping list, just like the solution.